smashing. In mouth, you fashion a little ball from his food called bolus. With the help of tongue, a little brain called eglottis close over to protect your windpipe so that food doesn't go down into your lungs every time you eat. During swallowing the food, the bolus is pushed back to the entrance or food pipe, known as esophagus. Starting in esophagus, an amazing action called peristalsis takes place, and we can see here simply peristalsis like a movement of a worm crawling on the ground. Peristalsis is how our muscle inside the gut itself is forced to enable to travel to esophagus, stomach all the way to the anus. Stomach is a J-shaped moving container full of acid fluid of the stomach that we can see here. A quart will a game as a food bowl survives in stomach. It causes the stomach to stretch and lot of enzymes and acid are produced. This helps to break down or digest the food. Once eating start, the lower part of the stomach is constantly churning, and like a blender, most of our food is break down into tiny particles no more than 3 millimeters. The pulpy acid mesh enters the very long tiny tube known as small intestine. The large mesh is digested with the assistance of flat pearl lid known as pancreas and bottle pancreas to store a number of enzymes and really good to break down. Now we can see that the small intestine has had spread many enzymes. The small intestine is measured of 6 meters. The little fat particle and simple sugar can travel through the cell lining and small intestine into the bloodstream. This process is known as absorption. It's just like a roller coaster. Food that not digest focusing about the fiber in large intestine or colon. In the colon, lot of water is taken away from the food, making it more firm to lot of bacteria is present is the colon, and after processing through the we can produce gas shortly chain fatty acid. The short chain fatty acid and available nutrients for cell writing and comb in the guest above dried the food to protect now become a waste and get stored into the rectum. Now the rectum is now ready to leave the body is poo during intestine. My name is Aditya Rajesh Dore, and thank you for watching my video.